This is a small universal hot and cold cutting double punching machine. Oh, 2 modes. This is the punching mode 1. This is the punching mode 2. You can choose here. First, choose the shape you want to cut. Click this. So let's say I want to cut. This is a trapezoid. Choose this. Here it comes. Then you go back to the home page. Is it available here? This chooses the shape you want to cut. And then this is choice. The punch mode. If you want, as long as this mode is punch, you choose this first one. A mode 1. If you want to choose this one to punch hole, you choose R. If you want to, it has to be punched at the same time. You choose this. Double hole. If you don't punch hole, as long as the cut, you choose this. Choose according to what you need. For example, I know 两个模具都要打孔的。After choosing, press this ball to exit. Then the punch data. Is it set up here? Punch mode selection. This one is for type. The total length is set first, then say. This means that how many holes do you want to punch? This is the mode. How many holes do you want to punch? Let's say I want to punch 你就选择个1 to choose 2 holes. You choose 2. Choose according to what you need. If you say, this is the first one, just say the distance from the edge to the center of the hole. This is the first one. If you choose 2 holes, then say, the first hole to the distance between 就这里设置 Let's say I want first hole to second. You set 20. Choose according to what you need. Please pay attention to these sizes you set. It must be smaller than the size. It cannot exceed the total size. Say this is a mode. This mode is set. What is the hole spacing of this? Then the back hole spacing is set here return. This one. Then I want to holes. The mode at the back needs to punch I will set holes. It R. Then this first hole, the distance to the side is 75. The second hole is 20. The second hole the distance of the first hole is 20. Oh, the aperture of the first hole is 15. Then the aperture of the second hole is 75. Then these are all a shaft. Only 2 holes. All followed by 0. This is the distance from the edge to the first hole. Then this is the first hole. The distance of the second hole is 75. Choose according to what you need. Then return. This is the setting. The distance between this and this. This size of this mode. Then you go back. Remember to order it after you choose it. Like this blue. Can't you be here? This is the way to go. The data inside. If you just set the size here, be sure to make this dark blue. That's what it does. If you cut this, are the two sides different? Let's say two sides. Not cut straight, two sides like this. You must set up waste disposal. His two sides 这一斜 angle. If it's straight, don't waste it. If you cut this shape to set up waste, then you select in the system parameters, set up waste again, set according to what is required. Generally, don't move the rest. This is the descent time of the trailer. This is the time when the trailer rises. This refers to the setting of the cutter. The cutter setting is too short. This knife can't cut. Choose according to what you need. Oh, like these things usually don't touch it. This is to set the punch. The time of rise and fall. This is the mode 1. This is what sets this up. Rising and falling. Well, then it goes up and down. It is to set the mode 2. Is it the one at the back? 你几乎 punch holes. How long will it take to punch this hole? This is punched up. How long will it take to go up? Choose according to what you need. Then you generate this machine. When it's done, you reset it. Reset this knife. It will rotate automatically. Is this the heat switch for the cutter? Then these two words. Just the heat switch of the two punching modes. When you tune, generally don't adjust. 你像我们这样调 adjusted this properly. Is that all there is to it? If the material is thicker, you can increase it a little bit appropriately. If the material is thin, you can make it a little smaller. Don't make it too big. If so, it won't work. Usually, that's it. If the adjustment this machine heats up too much, and then the words here are control this stroke up and down, controls the size of this hole. The twisted one is coming up. This goes deeper, and the bigger the hole is. Is the hole size adjusted here? These two will loosen the nuts. After loosening the nut, it can be twisted here. Twist like this. This hole is big. In this way, the twist hole is small. Then you general this machine. When it's done, you reset it. Reset this knife. It will rotate automatically. Then you can start it. Choose according to what you need. Then the quantity is set in it. Let's say I want 1000. Then how many did this hit? It counts automatically. If you want to start it over, you press clear. Stay still. It clears up. This is the feeding speed. This is the feeding speed of this wheel. The speed of the wheel's transmission. Don't be too fast. Too fast it won't. You according to what you need. These things to choose it. And then this is manual. Manual feeding, 鱼系. This manual feed. This is manually punched. This is a manual punch. Is to do this first. Manual punching. Take a look. Then this mold. Die 2 is here. Okay, we just 拿来手动试一下. See how it goes. This is a manual cutter. This one for the manual cutter. Oh, here are the system parameters. Are there any hidden settings? Usually, don't move. If there is, sometimes if something needs to be fine-tuned. There is a password in it. 6 out of 8. Confirm that the data here is generally. Tell the customer not to move. The data in it is generally not move. This cutter position 1. This is to control this. 2. The distance of the cutter. The distance from the cutter to this. Then this cutter position 2. This is the distance from this to the cutter.